Hi dance instructors, this is Heather. I wanted to introduce myself and let you know we've had some great workshops so far and I'm really looking forward to the next workshop. And as you can see here, we're going to be discussing a lot about anatomy with our friend here in all these bones. And in particular this weekend, we're going to be talking about the hip joint. So it's important as a dance instructor that you understand the anatomy of the hip and what lives in the hip. So we'll be talking about the labrum, we'll be talking about the joint capsule, how the hip articulates and how it moves, and then the muscles in the front and the side of the back of the hip. And you're going to learn some really cool tips on good stretching and strengthening exercises to protect your hip. Because ultimately we want to prevent any labral tears, any hip injuries, hip tendinitises, and ultimately hip replacements. We really want to eliminate hip replacements as dancers. And also at the workshop, you're just going to be learning some awesome, cool tips, as well as a nice blueprint that you can take back to your dance studio and kind of implement into the studio to make your dancers even more successful. So I hope you can join me, and if you have any questions or you want to leave any comments below, I will answer them for you, and you can also click below to learn a little bit more about the details. So I hope to meet you soon.